Hi there, people. How are you? This is Adi Almanza talking to you. And this time I am going to show you how to draw a nice, beautiful mermaid on your art journal. And I am starting doing this using a watercolor pencil, a blue one, and working on a watercolor moleskine. The paper is specially made for watercolor. So if you are going to try this, just be sure you're working on thick watercolor because this is very important, okay? And I have painted before the pink color you see on the background, so I just did the sketch on it using the color pencil. And now I am about to follow the lines of the sketch I did before using a black acrylic marker such as Posca. I think you have it in the USA. That's the name of it, Posca. And I am using a Molotov. That's the brand we have here where I live. So just grab any acrylic marker, black one. If you don't have one, you can as well use a small round paintbrush and black acrylic and just follow the most important lines of your sketch. And I am showing you this quickly so no details are being added, excuse me. And this is the way you can create a lot of beautiful things. It can be a mermaid, it can be something else, whatever you want to paint. Just start by doing a nice background using watercolors, any color you want, your favorite color. I love pink, so I have done some spots of pink color and added water to it, and this is what came out. And so this is going to make your drawing, your design, your dolls even more interesting if you work on this kind of backgrounds. It is going to look, yes, just unique and beautiful. And I love what sometimes comes out. So I am going to share with you as well at the end of this video some of the dolls I have created using this technique. And yes, just look what I do. And this is going to show you everything. So it's a very, very funny, easy way to create this kind of doll characters. And as I said before, it's not about perfection, it is about having fun, just having fun and painting, coloring, whatever we want to. And don't take it too serious, okay? Just create whatever you want to create. It doesn't have to be perfect. I find it even more interesting if this kind of dolls are a little bit messy, a little bit um, quirky and chunky and not perfect at all, but beautiful and interesting. So here you can see what I mean. And now just keep on working using your markers and adding details here and there where you need it, where you want to. And I'm talking to you on the next little project I am going to show you here later on. Alright, and now I am going to show you how to create a sea flower, you can call it this way, using only two acrylic markers, the white one and the black one, and working on a nice, interesting background we have done before. You don't see this on the video because this will take a long process, but just make some interesting spots or blobs on your art journal using a watercolor and let it dry. And when this is dry, go ahead, grab your acrylic markers or a small round paintbrush and acrylic, and just draw and color whatever you want to on these spots. And this is going to turn out very beautiful, as you're going to see here. This is a very easy way to create a nice design for your dolls, maybe as like a ornament on her hair, or maybe just like a background, when we don't know what to do around the art journaling we are doing, we can as well draw this kind of flowers, and this is going to make our pages look more interesting. Remember to work on thick watercolor, okay? And so you are going to be happy with what you do, and you will get very nice results if you work on thick watercolor paper. I say goodbye for now. I hope you have enjoyed these little lessons I have shared here with you, and I am saying goodbye for now and see you on the next video. Have fun making art, and if you want to share this with me, whatever you create about this technique, and if you want to share it with me, don't forget to tag me so I know you have done this lesson, and I am going to leave you a comment as well. Or if you have any questions, just let me know. Write me some lines and I'm going to come to you as soon as I can. And I see you around on Facebook. I am there every day. Okay, people, thank you so much for your nice comments and for liking this video. If you are interested on seeing more videos like this, let me know on the comments below, and I am going to be doing more little videos like this one for free, of course. And don't forget to check out my blog and to support my artwork, my online videos and workshops, excuse me. And they are there for you online, and you can start whenever you want to. And I am sure you're going to love them as well. Okay, I say bye-bye. Have fun painting and don't stop. See you. Bye-bye.